In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Power BI report page size. By the end, you'll know exactly how to resize a report page to match a presentation layout, a dashboard display, or a custom pixel dimension for embedding or printing. Start by opening your report and navigating to the specific page you want to resize. Before doing anything else, make sure nothing on the page is selected. This is important because Power BI shows different formatting options depending on what's selected. If a visual is highlighted, you'll only see options for that visual. To clear any selection, just click on a blank area of the canvas or press the Escape key. You'll know you're set when the page itself is the active context. Next, look to the Visualizations pane on the right. At the top, you'll see an icon that looks like a page with a paintbrush or roller. This is the Page Format icon, and it opens the page-level formatting options. Go ahead and click it. If you don't see the Visualizations pane, make sure the pane is visible in your workspace layout so you can access these formatting tools. Once you're in the page formatting area, find Canvas Settings. This is where all the page size controls live. Expand Canvas Settings and look for the Type dropdown. By default, Power BI might show preset sizes like 16.9, 43, or letter. To define your own size, choose Custom. When you select Custom, you'll see fields for width and height in pixels. Enter the exact pixel dimensions you need. As you type, the canvas will resize immediately, so you can see how your report fits the new space in real time. If your visuals feel cramped or you notice scroll bars appear, that's normal. It just means the canvas changed size and you may want to adjust your layout to suit the new dimensions. A quick tip on choosing sizes. Think about where the report will be viewed. For large displays, a wider canvas can help. For embedded scenarios, matching the target frame's pixel size avoids scroll bars. Remember that Power BI uses pixels, so if you're coming from print sizes, consider how those translate to on-screen measurements. That's all there is to it. You went to the page you want to resize, cleared any selection, opened the page format options from the Visualizations pane, and used Canvas Settings to switch the type to custom and enter your pixel values. When you're happy with the result, don't forget to save your report so the new page size is preserved.